Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check battery health on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. To check the battery health, you need to go to the settings, then scroll down until you find battery. Now you can go to the battery information and then you'll see the battery health. So mine is at 100%, so that means that when I charge my phone up to 100%, then it'll have the same capacity as a new battery, because you can see I have 0 cycles, so I haven't charged my phone yet, even once. So if the battery health is, for example, at 85%, then if you charge your phone up to 100%, it'll have the same capacity as a new battery charged to 85%. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.